Most people trying to make money in Australia are doing it the hard way, chasing one big win instead of stacking small, boring wins. By the end of this video, I'll show you the exact combination that can genuinely add real money to your bank account without a second job. Stick around till the end, because the last method is the one almost everyone skips K, and it's often the biggest lever of all. This isn't a get-rich-quick video. It's 7 legal, boring, repeatable ways real Australians are making extra money right now. Let's get into it, starting with money that's already sitting in your account, doing absolutely nothing. Before we start, here's the rule. None of these require quitting your job, buying a course, or taking on real risk. Just 7 adjustments. Some take 5 minutes. 1 takes a single conversation. Method 1. Stop leaving cash in a 0% account. This is the easiest fix on the entire list. Right now, some Australian savings accounts pay up to 6% pay, while your everyday account might be paying almost nothing at all. On $10,000 sitting idle, that gap alone is worth $500 to $600 a year just for moving your money. Here's the catch. Over half of Australians with a savings account miss their bonus interest conditions every single month. Set a small automatic transfer and 1 purchase a month to lock in the bonus rate. 5 minutes, genuinely free money. Method 2. Let your money work a second job. This one compounds quietly in the background. This one takes longer to pay off, but it compounds quietly in the background too. Low-fee index fund investing. The short version, buy a slice of the whole market, keep fees under 0.2%, and automate it monthly. $100 a month, left alone for 20 years, can quietly grow into a genuinely serious number. It won't make you rich this year a Kellerlane, but it's one of the few methods here that works while you sleep. Remember what I said at the start? The real payoff comes from stacking a few of these together, not picking just one. Method 3. Sell your spare hours, not your soul. This one's about existing skills, not new ones. Platforms like Airtasker connect people with spare time to people who'll pay for help. Assemble, cleaning, moving, admin. Most people on these platforms aren't doing anything glamorous. They're monetizing skills they already have. Even 3 or 4 tasks a month can add a genuinely meaningful few $100s without a second job's commitment. Method 4. Rent out space you're already paying for. This one is almost entirely passive. A spare room, a driveway, even unused garage space can generate income through platforms built specifically for this. A driveway near a stadium or hospital can rent for genuine daily money through parking space apps. Space you weren't using anyway. Check your lease or strata rules first, but for homeowners especially, this is often money sitting idle for free. Notice a pattern yet? Most of these methods aren't about working harder, Geds. They're about noticing what you're already wasting. Method 5. Turn clutter into cash. This one can genuinely be done in a single weekend. The average Australian home has hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars of unused stuff quietly sitting in cupboards and garages. Facebook Marketplace and eBay turn that clutter into genuine cash in days, not months. Batting, no new stock required. A single decluttering weekend can easily clear a few $100s most people didn't know they had. Method 6. Get paid for spending you're doing anyway. This one takes almost 0 extra effort. Cashback platforms and points programs quietly return a percentage on purchases you are already going to make. It's not huge per purchase pad, but stacked across groceries, bills, and online shopping, it adds up over a full year. The rule here is simple. Never spend extra just to chase the cashback hovies. That defeats the entire point. So far, that's 6 ways to squeeze more out of money you already have. Now for the one that actually moves the needle most. Method 7. The one most people skip. This is genuinely the biggest lever on the entire list. Every method so far might add you a few $100s.
This one can add thousands, and most people never even attempt it.
It's asking for a pay rise or upskilling into a higher-paying role TAS, genuinely the biggest lever on this entire list.
Most employees who ask for a raise get some version of yes, guys, but most employees simply never ask.
A 5% pay increase on an $80,000 salary is $4,000 a year, every year, compounding forward. Pair that with a short, targeted certification in your field, and the earning jump can be even bigger. So here's the real answer to how do you make money in Australia? With pay. It's never just one thing.
It's a high-yield account earning what it should, a slow and boring index fund, a side hustle, a decluttered garage, and a raise you actually asked for.
Stack 4 or 5 of these together, and you're not chasing one lucky break, hey? You're building several small, boring income streams at once. None of them alone feels dramatic. Together, they genuinely change your financial trajectory over a year. That's the whole secret. Not intensity, but consistency across more than one method at a time.
Let's run through it fast. Fix your savings rate. Invest what you can. Sell your spare hours. Rent your spare space.
Declutter what you don't use, capture cashback on what you already buy, and finally tie. Actually ask for the raise. 7 methods. 0 of them require quitting your job or taking a big risk. The people who genuinely improve their finances this year won't be the ones waiting for a lucky break. They'll be the ones who quietly did 3 or 4 boring things on repeat for 12 straight months. This video is general information only, not financial advice, Tace. Everyone's income, situation, and risk tolerance is different. For investing or tax-specific decisions, speak with a licensed financial advisor or registered tax agent. If this gave you a genuine plan instead of vague advice, smash subscribe. Real Australian money breakdowns every week. Tell me in the comments, Tankhen, which of these 7 are you actually going to try first?
Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one, Tade. And go check your savings account interest rate right now.